Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix FC26 unable to connect to EA servers. Alright, let's begin. If you are trying to play Ultimate Team or any online mode and see this error, start by checking your internet connection. Open a website or play a video online to confirm your connection is working properly. If your internet is fine, the next step is to check EA server status. Open a browser on your phone or PC and visit EA's official server status page. Scroll down and look for FC26. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until EA fixes the issue. If the servers are online, fully close FC26 and restart your router. Turn it off, wait a short moment, then turn it back on. Launch the game again and check if the error is gone. If the issue continues, update and repair the game. Open your game launcher like Steam, select FC26. Go to Properties, select Installed Files and choose Verify Integrity or Repair. This will fix missing or corrupted files. If none of these steps work, reinstalling FC26 is the final solution and usually resolves the problem. So that's basically how you can fix FC26, unable to connect to EA servers. That's it for this video. Thanks.